this is my opinion on gender war going through this time. Like in our country, there's a gender war going on. What I'm seeing in our country, in our whole earth, gender war is going on. Maybe I think a little amount of countries are there who are not performing in this gender war, but most of them are. So I'm just a 18-year-old Indian guy, as you can see me. You should hear some surround sound right in this video, because I'm just recording it raw in the you know very crowdy, not so crowdy, but like there are so many people right here. It's just a quiet but messy place. So I'm just recording this video, so you should hear so many types of sound in this video. And it's not any studio type video, so you have like the best quality and best audio quality. So there's nothing like that here. It's just an opinion of me. uh, the In India, I'm basically talking about it, more about India, because I have opinion, but for the world, I have to explore more about how it's going on in the world. But I have no clue about that, so we should talk about India. First of all, I saw a post. It was it was something like fighting of a wife and a husband, and then there was a comment on that post. It was on Instagram. The comment was like, नीले ड्रम में डाल दो, नीले ड्रम में डाल दो. If you are from India, you know the context of it. What is नीले ड्रम में डाल दो? But if you are an outsider, let me tell you, there was a case where a wife killed his husband and packed him in a blue drum. Blue is called Neela in Hindi. So it was a case of uh, murder. What we can say, it was a case of murder. The wife and her lover, they both planned to kill his husband, so that no, sorry, her husband, so that they both can live together. So I saw that comment. Okay, and I was like, is it we are that insensitive now that we can say this thing loud? At least if you are making a joke of it, it should be in between two or three people or your friend group. Next to mess, a group of people which is 40, 50, maybe they understand your jokes. But it's social media. It's like almost almost hundreds and thousands of people right there. So is it that we humans go that insensitive right now? And uh, and I was thinking, like, what is this? So I overanalyzed it, I overthinked it whole night, and then I realized that what is going on. There were some bad kind of guys. There are kind of guys in back there in old time. The bad guys and the good guys. The bad guys, amount of bad guys, or I can say not all of them was bad, but you know they are they grown up like that. Their childhood, they saw the things which they did in their life. So uh, there are bad people and there are good people, and the good ones who supported feminism and a lot of things about that. So you saw two cuts due to some disturbance around here. So I was talking about it. There were two kind of guys. One are good ones that supported feminism and a lot of things. Right, they're going on the study. They supported education for women and a lot of things. And because of that, I am not saying that they gave the right to women, but due to them, women got many you know rights, I can say, or they actually they got women got right due to them. Okay, because they fought another man's for women rights. Okay, and nowadays I can say 50% of men are good men. It's growing, but it's still 50%, I can say, and 50% of them are still bad. They support harsh patriarchy and these things. So what happening is, that you know, girls are saying that girls have been suffering from since like the beginning of time. They are suppressed, and a lot of things have done to them. Now there are only 2 3 murder cases of men, and they are like saying we should not marry. They like they got the fear. What I'm saying is, the people you are killing, the guys you are killing, are the good guys that always supported feminism. uh, if you saw the case of, I forgot the name of the case, but it was a case that uh, Raja Yaduvanshi case. Raja Yaduvanshi case. If you saw the Raja Yaduvanshi case, the Neeladrum case, and there is one more I saw where the wife putted like cutted his husband and putted him in the box. So all of them were good guys. They were supporting their wives. All of them were like not harsh patriarchal. They like not even a little bit of patriarchal. So, like when girls say that it's our only 1 or 2 cases, it's 1 or 2 cases on wrong guys. Like, uh, wait a second, let me clear it a little bit. If the cases were on like the guy who did wrong with the women, there are also males that gonna support you. They are like, okay, you killed your husband due to like he was suppressing you, he was beating you every day, so you killed him, and you did right. But but we saw that the guys get killed are good guys that actually supported women. So there's a wrong message conveying that if you give freedom to women, if you like let them, well, who are you to let them women be free? But if you like support women, in the sense, you are going to get killed, or I can say you are the one who's going to suffer if women get like domination uh, of a man. So what the message you are conveying? Isn't it very bad message? Isn't it, if this is going to happen to the good men, that all men is going to be a bad man? Because if women try to kill a bad person like with his lover or one something, first of all they are not going to do, because they know what he can do. He can kill him with in seconds and have no you know have no regret and all, at all. So girls know, I can, or say women know that uh, if they try to kill the bad guy, if they, I know they are not going to do it, but if they, and somehow if the bad guy got saved, or he's alive after the attack, they know their life is going to be hell, so they don't even try. And the good guys, which they know, okay, they are going to do nothing after, even after maybe he gonna do a police case or something, but he is not going to kill him. So they do it, they kill the good guys. And how you are supposing that the men now are going to like support feminism if the feminism is the thing that going to kill them? Isn't it a paradox? It's just a point of view of a 18-year-old guy from India. So that's just what I think. If I don't think anyone is going to see this video, but if you saw that, just comment what do you think.